If you're one of the people waiting to get that new LG rollable phone, get your wallet ready. What's up, everybody? This is Gary from the Cyborg team. $2,359. That's what this LG rollable phone is expected to sell for. Now, a lot of things can change. We're still not 100% sure, but obviously somebody here with more knowledge than I do about it somehow acquired a price that they plan to sell it for. The phone's going to have all high-end specs. It's going to have the Snapdragon 888 processor. That's going to be the best processor probably of 2021. All flagship phones are going to ship with that guy. It's also going to have 16 gigabytes of RAM and a 7.4-inch rollable screen. LG's rollable phone. Why is this good? Why is any of this news good? Well, it's just innovation. We're moving forward with technology. Samsung has I don't want to say a plethora, but they got a bunch of foldable phones. They were the first ones to do this, so they look good. They seem to be doing okay. And Samsung has already declared that next year, 2021, they're going to release foldable phones in several different price ranges so that everybody can experience a foldable phone if they want to. With the rollable phone, LG is planning that you will have basically a regular size phone, but it'll be able to roll out. You'll be able to pull the screen out and have a tablet-like experience, which sounds awesome. It doesn't seem like there'll be many compromises except the type of material the screen is made out of, since it's not going to be the type of glass that we are all used to on these phones. Why is this bad? Well, first of all, LG has a track record of like experimental phones. But hey, also what's bad, man, that price is insane. $2,359. The Z Fold 2, sorry, that is running for $2,000. This is almost $400 more than that, and you know, not a lot of people are even picking up the Z Fold 2. LG, I commend you for the innovation. The rollable screen sounds awesome. I actually hope this goes somewhere, because I would much prefer a phone with the same thickness that we have now in these current candy bar style phones than to have that folding phone and it's just twice as thick, you know. So hopefully this goes somewhere. I wish LG the best of luck. I will be checking out all the news for these things. So if that sounds interesting to you, well, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and that's it. I'm out. Peace.